All right, so here we go. Send this to my clients. We're about to get it started. Put down the rebar, put down the bricks for the foundation. We got them all lined up, lined up, lined up, lined up. They're gonna put that foundation down and get this party started. It's looking good. The beginning of the new construction process. House bills was paid, down payment made, and now they're gonna get started here. So as you see, you got a little rebar going up through here. That's to reinforce. That's gonna be the padding for the foundation. Then they're gonna use these right here as braces to put down the concrete and pour it to give it the foundation. It's looking good. This is a joyful time. I love this process. I've been through it myself. Um, I'm always excited to see a house being born, basically. All right. So if you want to learn more about this process, you can hit me up. I can tell you, I can teach you, I can guide you along. Um, yeah, I can actually assist and get your house built right there. Then the house right there, so everything looks good. Um, yeah, it comes up on the